I'm thirsty. Give me a can. Fetch. Yes. Thank you. This is cool things my dog can do that your dog can't. 1. Too late.
Yo, bro.
Place. 2, she knows how to ride on a skateboard and also knows how to chase me. Spin. Oh my gosh. You spin. Gotta get that grip, man. 3, wall ride. Wall ride. Dude, this is a mess over here. 4, I could have my dog help me pick this up. Come on, throw it away. Good girl. Good girl, throw it away. Good. Good girl. Throw it away. Throw it away. Throw it away. Good girl. Throw it away. Good. Oh, where's my keys? Do you know where my keys are? Go find my keys. Oh, thank you, baby. Thank you. Out. Load up. Can I get 2 small cups of whipped cream? Thank you. Big old whipped cream cup.
Those are not small.
No, not at all.
Echo, they loaded you up. How do you feel? Sir, how do you feel about being loaded up?
Yeah.
That better be Echo's. That ain't mine.
No, this is yours.
No.
Oh, you're gonna get all over my seat. Take a breather. Take a breather. All right, go back to the work. Get that ASMR. There you go. That's what a good pup gets. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe for more pup loving dog videos. We'll see you guys in the next one.